Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial. This is where we ended last time and we're gonna continue from here. Alright, now let me say this is my design and I want to know how to use the text tool proper. I know a lot of you guys are happy because I've been promising you guys text tool, what the text tool do. Okay, on the previous class we were talking about what you can do very good with shapes. So right now I'm gonna be seeing how we can arrange this using our what we're gonna learn with text, how to manipulate text and do something great with this design that we are currently working on. Okay, right now I'm gonna start with this right away with this guy. All right, so remember we discussed, I told you about properties in the previous tutorial. How do I change this font? It is very simple. You have a lot of fonts when you click on this character. So you're gonna see a whole lot of fonts. Let me say I wanna use a font called Stretch. Don't worry, one of the advantage you have studying at WebTech Academy is that you have all these fonts for free to download and install. Okay, so that is the font I wanna use for this course. Okay, now centralizing. It is very easy to centralize a course. It's very easy to centralize something like this. You just have to, after this guy, after this let me say where we selected the font, the next thing from there to do is we come to this guy that is just closer to him and you click on this guy depending on what you want to do. But for me, I would love to centralize it. Okay, I was tempted to choose the other one actually, so I think I would love to centralize it. So assuming I've centralized it, because the next thing is color, uniform fill. Click on it and you choose the color that is good for you. If you want to pick the color, you simply have to come to this guy right down here, then you select. Good, beautiful. So hope you are learning and you are enjoying. Let me come down to the course. What I love to do for course is to put it on white. Okay, then I also like to have the stretch font display on him, but right now I would love to reduce the size of it, not so much. Then maybe I would like to play on this guy a little bit by increasing him a little bit this way. Voila. So using fonts is very easy, but my first advice to you is, before you go out there to, like, maybe you want to use font or do something with font, right? Know what you want to do. You understand? Know what you want to do. If you don't know what you want to do, you just be mixed up and you don't have a concrete idea, or you don't even know what you really want to do in particular. So other fonts, you also have the text panel here, which we'll be discussing on the next course. But there are a lot of things that has to do here, but I believe that with this you can be able to do something great. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to import images on Corel. You know, the last time we ended with these text stuffs, and there was something I gladly forgot to show you, which a student brought up. So for example, let me say I'm editing something and maybe there's a lot of spacing within it. What do? You have to come to the shape tool and you click on it, because most of the time, like we ended the class, it was somewhere just like this. So you have to come to this shape tool. When you come to the shape tool, you come and you hold this guy. This guy, it has been zoomed in, I believe you can see. You hold this guy, then you just try to drag to put it where it suits you perfectly. You understand? Then let me keep it where I think is best. Then now, maybe there may be too much spacing within them. How do you do that? You still click on it rather than coming down like this. You now, excuse me, rather than coming down like this, you now hold it and like you see the magic. Rather than coming down, you go horizontal. So I'm gonna drag it together again a little bit. So meaning that when you want to go down, you come to this guy here this way and you go down. When you want to work on the spaces within them, you have to go by this side and you drag them, let it fit your taste.